Comets are ancient visitors to our planet. They have caused the death of the dinosaurs and now they are back again. In coming months, we will have several comets and asteroids. It started with Comet ATLAS, which is now fragmented to 4 pieces. Then it came down to the Comet Swan, which will be visible to naked eye. Then Comet Pan-STARRS was added to this, a bright comet. And we have now the Comet Near-parabolic, will be again shining in May. And now we have this asteroid which looks like a face mask or some say like a boob. Add to this all kind of strange shaped asteroids. Brace yourself, either it's Pan-STARRS or Atlas or skeleton. The sky will be in fire.